Tomorrow morning, every cargo ship on Earth suddenly stops moving. No warning. No storm. No explanation. And within hours, the entire world starts feeling it. Almost 90% of global trade travels by sea. Now imagine all of it frozen.
Major ports begin to panic.
Millions of containers are trapped. Then fuel deliveries begin slowing down. Gas stations start running low. But fuel isn't the biggest problem. Food is. Phones, computers, and electronics become stuck at sea. Factories run out of parts. Governments hold emergency meetings as the crisis spreads worldwide.
And remember, this happened after just 24 hours. Imagine 1 week.